Vybz Kartel get Alkaline in flowers. I'm want to show one thing, It's a dancehall thing, Enough people, me see a fight it, A fight against dancehall, But what them not really look upon. Them not look upon the amount of people where dancehall feed and help out, And the amount of ghetto youths where dancehall help so that them can help them family and them people, and even them community. Regardless of some slackness and some type of things where some dancehall artists are sing. But let's face reality. You see, just like how them fight against ganja, some sooner fight dancehall. I remember, ganja send many of us go to school, and ganja put food on many of us table, And so dancehall, the very same way as dancehall. Dancehall send many of us go to school and put food on our table. Because remember, when a dancehall event a keep, look outside the amount of vendor where you see. You know how much Rastaman me see a dance, I sell peanut, cane, orange, and all different type of product. Plus different vendors where I sell all different type of things. Why you think them I sell that? The soup man, the cane man, the jerk chicken man, the peanut man, the handcart man. Why you think them I do them thing there? It's an economy, So that them can put food on them table, and take care of them children, and send them children go to school, You not look on that, You see, dancehall is a global economy. Dancehall feed many people in the world and put money in many people right across the globe pocket. In Europe, you have a lot of Europeans who are dancehall promoters. Them promote events with dancehall. The same thing in Japan. The same thing in Africa. So you have Europeans, Africans, Chinese, Japanese, Americans, all over the world. People from all different race, language, class, color, and creed. Dancehall a feed. Remember, so me tell you that. So sometimes when you see we come out, I know we hear we talk about dancehall. I don't know why. Because even me, as an artist, a dancehall helped me out of the struggle. A dancehall, me sing and follow up dancehall and sing on sound system and go to studio go sing dancehall music and end up right across the world. So me have to stand up for dancehall. Zane, me no support the slack song them we are singing a dancehall and the gun song them I don't support them. But you see dancehall, me could never put down dancehall. Me only can tell the artists them say clean up on the lyrics them. You know see it. But you see, dancehall economy, it's global. And it a feed many people. It a put food on many people table. It a put money in many people pockets. And it a send many people children go school. Forever live dancehall. Dancehall can't stall. One dancehall, one Jamaica. Me! Shocking Murray said that.